Hi, I'm Shane Cooper from Just Pro Tools, and we are here to discuss an exciting addition to the Maxim heavy duty storage range and the Seville Classics heavy duty storage range. Traditionally, if you purchased one of our storage units, such as this 11-piece behind me, the wall cabinets and pegboards were mounted to the wall. The wall cabinets were mounted by using these hook brackets. You basically screwed 2 of these to the wall per cabinet and then hooked the wall cabinet over. For the pegboard, there were 4 screws per panel, 1 for each corner. We could see that this is not a great option for many situations. If you're renting, don't want to mark your wall, have an uneven surface such as a brick wall, or want to have a freestanding unit in the middle of a room, we now have a great solution. We have developed a 6-legged workbench. For Maxim products, it comes in either a stainless steel top or the German beech hardwood top, where for the Seville products, it only comes in the German beech hardwood top. Being 6-legged meant that we could build a 3-post frame to mount the wall cabinets and pegboards. It is very straightforward to put together. You only need a screwdriver, which is provided, and a spanner. When you go to mounting the wall cabinets, you use the same hooks. It's already got nutserts in there. You line up the hooks and you screw it on. Same with the pegboard. It's got a hole per corner of the pegboard. So in no time, you now no longer have to touch your wall. There's no drilling, no measuring. It's easy to do. To ensure that these are safely installed and used, the factory weight rating for the wall cabinets is reduced to 25 kilos per cabinet. Also, if using the unit freestanding, like we have this one, in other words, it's not against the wall, we do recommend that you use either a strap, a chain or a bracket dynabolted to the floor at the front of the workbench, just to make sure if a vehicle does hit it or someone pushes it, it doesn't topple over. Thank you for your time. For more information, please visit our website www.justprotools.com.au, and also following this video is a slideshow just showing the different options with this new mounting kit.